Well, hey, happy Monday, everybody. Look at that. Beautiful piece of maple. And a beautiful maple neck. And we get up here to the headstock, and I'm hoping that I can pick this up in the video. But you notice what that says right on the top of the headstock there? Yep. There's a serial number, made in the USA. It is a Gibson second, stamped in the wood. Kind of an interesting discovery on this guitar. This is a Gibson Gospel, built in 1967. And this thing, I'm going to let my phone try and focus a little bit here, maybe. Well, maybe not. Okay. Well, we've repaired the broken neck on this thing and have set the instrument up to Gibson specifications. I've got 5/64 of an inch here at the bass E string, and 4/64 up here. Now, in some worlds they want 6/64 and 5/64. I like my string action a little bit low, and I've found that dimension to be a little more suitable for playing all styles of music. I've also polished the fretboard, scraped the fretboard down and got all the guck off of it. And it's a beautiful piece of ebony. And one thing I noticed is this light spot right here. There's a light spot on this piece of ebony, and that's really the one thing I can see on this instrument that would warrant calling it a second. So whatever. So I'm gonna play this thing a little bit. Let me get my phone or my camera in the stand here, and we'll try and get things situated so you can see the instrument and hear it. Again, this is a 1967 Gibson Gospel style guitar, and after doing all the work, I'd say it's fixed. The neck was broken basically completely off this guitar. The neck block was loose, and we've got her glued back up, and a new saddle, new string action, polished frets, truss rod adjustments, perfect. What else would you expect? 1967 Gibson Gospel. Check that bad boy out. I'll get a little close-up of the fretboard. Hopefully you can see that. Boom. And it's a second. Wow. I haven't seen one of those lately. Peace, y'all. Have a wonderful day.